Brazilian waxing doesn't have to mean pain, fear, or embarrassment, especially for women. So much of the waxing advice you see online seems made for young, flawless skin, not for real women with real lives. Whether you're a busy professional in London, a mom juggling everything in Toronto, a wellness-focused woman in Sydney, or someone embracing a slower pace of life in Stockholm, feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin matters. So stick with me until the end, because I'm going to share the one huge mistake most women make that causes pain and irritation, and exactly how you can avoid it completely. Let's start with number 1. Brazilian waxing is about comfort, not trends. Waxing isn't something you do to follow a trend. It's a personal comfort choice. It can reduce the daily irritation from shaving, help with hygiene and freshness, and save you precious time in your busy routine. It feels cleaner during workouts or while traveling. This is about your personal choice, not about bowing to some kind of beauty pressure. Remember, comfort beats trends every time. Number 2. Gentle waxing starts way before the wax even touches your skin. Pain often starts before the actual waxing begins. Make sure your skin is clean and completely dry. A light exfoliation a day or two before can help prevent ingrown hairs. Also, try to avoid caffeine before your session, as it can heighten sensitivity. Calm skin always leads to better results, because good prep reduces the shock to your hair follicles. Number 3. Mature skin needs a different waxing approach. It's a fact that skin after 35 behaves differently, and that's perfectly normal. Cell turnover slows down, you might experience more sensitivity, and your skin may have less elasticity than before. This means you need a lower wax temperature and a little more TLC in your aftercare routine. This brings us to number 4. Hard wax is often safer for sensitive areas. Not all wax is created equal. Hard wax is designed to adhere to your hair, not your skin. This means less pulling and trauma, making it perfect for the delicate skin in intimate areas. It is also ideal for beginners and is the top choice in most professional studios for a reason. Number 5. And this is a big one. Pain is not the price you have to pay for smooth skin. Pain is a signal, not a requirement. Discomfort often comes from rushing the process, using wax that's too hot, or overlapping wax strips, which just increases the sting. Proper technique is key, and something as simple as calm, deep breathing can help surprisingly well. Number 6. Timing your wax makes a huge difference. Waxing on the wrong day can literally double your discomfort. Your skin is most sensitive right before your period, so try to avoid scheduling your wax then. The best time is usually mid-cycle when your hormones are calmer. Stress also plays a role by increasing your pain response, so try to plan your sessions mindfully. Number 7. Believe it or not, Brazilian waxing can actually support your skin's health. It's more than just hair removal. The process removes dead skin cells, which helps reduce razor bumps and encourages a smoother overall texture. Over time, hair can grow back finer and slower, and it even makes moisturizing more effective. Now for number 8. Aftercare is where most results are won or lost. The wax itself is only half the story. You need to cool the skin immediately after your session. Avoid heat, like hot showers or saunas, for at least 24 hours. Wear loose, breathable fabrics and use calming, gentle products on the area. It's also a good idea to skip any intense workouts for a day or so. Number 9. Ingrown hairs are preventable. They are not inevitable. The key is gentle exfoliation a few days after waxing, not right away. Keep your skin well moisturized, avoid tight clothing that can trap hairs, and don't wax too frequently. Let the hair grow to the proper length before your next session. Number 10. Your waxing frequency should change with age. More waxing isn't always better. As you get older, your hair may start to grow slower. Leaving longer gaps between sessions gives your skin more time to heal and can prevent irritation from overwaxing. The most important thing is to listen to your body. Put your comfort above a rigid calendar schedule. Number 11. Brazilian waxing isn't just for the young. Confidence doesn't retire. Women of all ages choose to wax because feeling comfortable and confident is a lifelong pursuit. Grooming is a form of self-care, and there are absolutely no age limits. The choice is always yours. Number 12. Professional versus at-home waxing. You need to choose wisely. Both options can work, but only if they're done right. A professional offers precision and experience, which can reduce risk. Doing it at home can save you time and money. Whichever you choose, hygiene is completely non-negotiable, and using the right tools is critical. 13. Your lifestyle matters more than you might think. Your daily life directly affects your waxing results. If you have an active gym routine, The extra sweat needs to be managed. If you travel, different climates will affect your skin. Even a desk job can impact things, so you need to be mindful of airflow. Hotter climates require gentler aftercare, while colder climates demand extra moisture. Number 14. Confidence is the real outcome. Smooth skin is nice, but confidence is so much better. It's about that feeling of being put together, of having less self-consciousness, and having a greater awareness of your own body. It's about personal empowerment and cultivating a calm, positive self-image. And finally, number 15. The golden rule of gentle waxing. If it feels wrong, stop. Pain is not a badge of honor. Your comfort is your body's feedback. If something hurts too much, you need to adjust your technique, change the products you're using, or just take a break. Always respect your skin. This is the mistake I mentioned at the beginning: ignoring your skin's signals, forcing it, pushing through pain, and not listening when your body tells you something is wrong is what leads to irritation and bad experiences. Ultimately, gentle Brazilian waxing is about listening to your body, not forcing results. It's about finding what works for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to watch my next video, Waxing After 40. What you must change for sensitive skin. It's the perfect next step. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on gentle grooming.